Hello everyone, it's Al from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you guys how to access your payments and subscriptions in Gmail. So if you have your Google account, of course, you can use it for buying applications or any type of services really, and you can use it to subscribe to streaming media platforms as well. So if you want to access that, then I will teach you how. So what you have to do first is to, of course, access mail.google.com, and you should be able to see this page over here. And once it has loaded, just click your icon at the top part of the screen. So that serves as your display picture. So if you click that, a pop-up will show up and you just have to click manage your Google account next. So once you have done that, then you will be redirected to another page. So what you have to click next is the payment and subscriptions located at the sidebar. So it is the second to the last option just above about. So if you click that, then another page will show up and you will be seeing your payment info, transactions, recurring payments, as well as reservations. So as you can see over here, you can see your payment method. So if you have added some such as PayPal or your credit card, then you will be able to manage them here. And there's Google Pay as well, your purchases and account storage, subscription. So if you are subscribed to, let's say for example, Netflix, then you can see it here if you used your Google account. So yes, that's about it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.